Hey, welcome to More Cake, Yes Ma'am, Badass Edible Art. I'm Jelena, and this is my 3D folding square and pillow boxes with wafer paper. Prep your silhouette mat. What you want to first do is lightly spread on some vegetable shortening, a very small amount, spread it on, just like all around the mat, and then take your wafer paper or whatever edible paper you're choosing to print on and press down on it and make sure it's adhered to the actual mat, so that way there's no lifting when the silhouette machine is cutting. And then use some tape on each corner of your wafer paper. This way, again, another secure way for your wafer paper to lift up. To load your mat in the silhouette machine, you want to line it up against the blue line on the left, and then there's also a blue arrow on the right. And just line that up against it and push the load button in the screen of the silhouette machine, and then it will begin to load. You want to ensure that your needle's actually locked in, so make sure that little dot right there is blue. When you're ready for your silhouette to begin cutting, you just have to hit Command L on your keyboard or go up to File and scroll down to Send to Silhouette Machine. The silhouette understands what lines mean what, so you have your straight lines and then you have your dotted lines, which are the perforated lines, and that basically is just showing the silhouette machine to cut those dotted lines just as they are, and that way you're folded easily without the paper breaking. Once the job is done, go back to the screen on the silhouette machine and just hit Unload Job, and the mat will release itself. You can find the pillow box and the square box files for the silhouette machine in the tool link below, so be sure to check that out. If you do not have a silhouette machine, I highly suggest that you invest in one. You can also find that link on the tool list of where I got my silhouette machine from Icing Images. Before I've added any water to any of the paper, I made sure I folded my flaps first and my sides, that way that I can see that it would fold correctly and not break. And then just using water to adhere each side together, and then making my bows with the Flex Frost sheets that you can also get from Icing Images. All the tools that I used in this tutorial is on the tool list. check out my hanging gravity defying stocking and see how I use these beautiful 3D gift boxes to use on the cake. Thanks so much. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure you're following me on Instagram to see all the things that I'm doing at yes_ma'am_sweets. And if you're interested in any of my apparel, because it's purely badass, follow me at morecakeym. Bye.